So your Amazon campaigns are going out of budget every day and you are constantly increasing the budget, but it's keep happening. So using Amazon is being greedy, and that's the truth. Amazon is being greedy because most of his revenue is coming from advertising, and they are making more an adjustment in advertising, and you can see like the whole search result page is filling up with advertising. So yes, they want your money. So what is the solution of it? So let's go over it. I'll try to make this video as short as possible. So first of all, go to limit of Amazon spend. So how you can do that? Go to your Amazon Seller Central, click on this hamburger menu, go to advertising, campaign manager, open your campaign manager here, and click your campaign. Open up your campaign, go to campaign settings, and scroll down to this at the end of it. So by default, it is um, enabled increase reach. So Amazon will increase your reach. This setting may result in more impressions and opportunities for off sales Amazon. That's why this is one of the main reason you are going out of budget, because Amazon is spending it like crazy. So if when you limit off spend, reduces spend of Amazon for lowering performance for low performing placements. So if the customer is not likely to buy your product, Amazon won't show your ad to him or her. This setting may result in fewer impression of Amazon, but it can help control spend. So what you need right now is control. So first of all, do this setting. If you are not in growing phase, you are looking for profitability, you must enable this feature on all of your campaigns. And the second solution, which I have for you, it is a quick solution. I'm not going diving deeper. Is adjust bid by placement. So if you see, like I have enabled 25% top of search. So if you see you are not converting well on specific keywords or in any of your campaign, and top of search is not performing, you can like decrease it or just make it zero, you know. So if it's not working, yeah, you can push it back, and that way you can reduce your spending. And the second solution I have is bidding campaign bidding strategy. So right here I have up and down. So you can go to dynamic down only, but right now Prime Day is coming, so I don't recommend going down only. Yes, you can go on some campaigns where you are going out of budget instantly, like really crazily. So you can enable down only on them, but I'll suggest you go on fixed bid. But my personal favorite are up and down. So I have different ways of adjusting budget, controlling budget, and adjusting campaign. So these are the quick one. Okay, you can do it instantly right now, and you will get a little bit control on your spending. But the bigger solution is optimizing your bid. So you have to go and see what are the targets, what is your strategy right now, where are you spending money the most, and which is giving you the results. So optimize bids accordingly on the keyword level. And second of option is check your keyword strategy. Are you actually targeting the right customer, or are you like wasting money on the people who are not your customer? So focus on your keyword strategy. It will help you where you are going right now and why your campaigns are going out of budget without giving you most conversion. So the third thing is optimize budget of well performing campaigns only. So whenever you see multiple campaigns are out of budget, do not increase budget of all of your campaigns. Only increase the budget of optimized campaigns who are giving you the most conversion. That way, for every dollar you will spend, you will get some sales and your dollars back. So these are some quick tips I have for you. I can go more in detail on each of these points. So if you want me to create another video, just like this video. And also, like, I manage Amazon PPC for the brands. This brand is doing very well. It got out of stock last month, so that's why you see, like, our sales has been dropped. So for one time we were doing 1600 a day, and when we got out of stock, so it was really hectic month, and now we are back in stock. So that's why you see, like, we are at 56% issues, but we are doing pretty well, and I'm gonna lift this brand up. So if you need PPC services, you can actually text me in. You can comment below or go to myppcman.com. Like this video if you like it, and if you want me to go more in depth on these topics, yeah, just comment below and I will create videos for that.